The $20 million loan GovGuam secured in January to finance the new Dandan landfill could be in doubt in light of questions raised by Senator B.J. Cruz in a letter to Attorney General Alicia Limtiaco. Cruz says the terms of the loan agreement violate the conditions the legislature detailed in the law giving GovGuam the go-ahead to get the money. For example, he notes that GovGuam actually borrowed about $103,000 more than the $20 million the legislature authorized in order to pay bank fees. Moreover, he notes that the loan agreement states Section 30 money shall be a primary source of collateral for the loan, even though the authorizing legislation for it requires that money to be subordinated so that it is used only after other funds. Cruz was unavailable today. However, Senator Judy Gutherts says she shares these concerns and that the trustee for the loan, Citibank, could freeze the money until the legal questions are resolved.
There's certainly questions that have to be answered, both by the Attorney General's office and by the administration, in terms of how this loan was negotiated and why it doesn't meet the parameters of the legislation.
But for his part, Senator Ben Pangilinan says the loan agreement's language on Section 30 funding only allows that money to be used as the primary source of collateral temporarily. After GovGuam secures bonds for other needs, he says, Section 30 money will be subordinated as the law requires. On News Talk K57 Radio, Pangilinan also said he disagrees with Cruz's complaints, saying the law lets the governor borrow the money needed to cover the costs of the loan. However, Gutherts has other concerns. She notes the loan money can only be accessed by two officials with the federal receiver tasked with overseeing the landfill project, and there is no oversight of their activity.
Just two people from that company have the power and authority to withdraw money from that account, and there's no cross-checking from the treasurer of Guam or any government of Guam official to ensure that those monies are properly accounted for.
The Bank of Guam and Citibank did not immediately respond to a request for comment today. Stefan Sebastian, PNC News.